Let's dive into CI/CD. It's all about how automation is completely changing how we build software.
Imagine getting software out the door way faster, and with far fewer mistakes. That's the promise here.
CI/CD basically streamlines everything from how teams work together to the quality of the final product.
And as expert Martin Fowler points out, a huge advantage is finding those pesky bugs super early.
So, at the very heart of all this is what we call the CI/CD pipeline.
Think of it like an automated assembly line with three main stops: build, test, and deploy.
Okay, let's start our journey. First up is the build phase.
This is where all that raw code from the developers gets turned into a real, working application.
Essentially, it's where ideas become actual, functional code, all ready for the next step.
Next up is a super important step, and it's all about quality, the test phase.
Here, the app gets automatically tested to find and squash bugs as early as possible. And all this automated testing, that's what makes the final app so stable and reliable.
And that brings us to the final step, deployment. This is where the software meets its users.
Once the app is checked and ready, it goes live automatically, so everyone can use it.
What this really means is that teams can push out new features and fixes super fast and smooth.
So that's the whole cycle: build, test, and deploy. It's just a continuous loop of getting better. But wait, what actually starts this whole automated process? Well, a few different things can.
It could be a small change in the code, a scheduled time, or even a request for review.
And this smooth, automated flow is exactly what makes modern development teams so quick and agile.
So yeah, in today's world, automation isn't just nice to have, it's essential. The real question is, how will you use it?
If you learned something new in this 2 minutes, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.